I preached on Philippians 4, 1-3, which covered division in the church. And we covered the infamous Euodia and Syntyche, those two women that got called out by the Apostle Paul in his letter. And they also are a.k.a. odious and stinky. They were involved in a brutal fight, a battle that was disrupting the church. And so we looked at how to handle conflict in the church. And so I'll just walk through a few of these illustrations in case you missed it or you just appreciate good artwork. So I found something out that Euodia and Syntyche, you might not believe this, but they were actually fighting over whether or not to wear a mask. I thought that was fantastic. I thought it was amazing. I was like, who knows? I thought this was original. I thought that it was, today. But no, according to the drawing, they were arguing over masks. And not only that, but they were brutal. They were sword fighting. At least we're not that level yet. Now, we're not supposed to fight each other. We're supposed to fight alongside one another. And so here you have the testudo formation. This is where the Roman soldiers locked their shields together. And we talked about standing firm in the faith together, fighting for each other, not against one another, because we are family. And so we're created in God's image, and our home is in heaven. We're all part of God's spiritual family. And we are the church. We're one family. We're to be of one mind, and we're fighting for a great cause. Aren't children amazing? I love this stuff. It's wonderful. And so looking forward to some great drawings today. Just so thankful for you children and for you parents of the children and bringing them here and trusting them to us.